So next we have looping statement in conditional is for loop. We discussed while loop and until loop usages. Now we'll go to for loop statement. For loop we can write two way: conditional based one loop based on that operator return value. Another one more loop is while loop, sorry, collection based loop. This for loop conditional same as while style. Recap while loop, what while loop we studied: initialization step. It means that c value something value, initializing value, then test while followed by c less than 5. This is testing the condition or test the condition, then do, then operation something value of c colon $c. Then I'll show you my load balance for every 1 second delayed. I'll put sleep 1 second. Then increment operation for loop should be incremented, right? So I'll put expr $c plus 1 incremented plus 1, then completed. So initialization, testing and increment operation. This is loop general thumb rule of while loop. Same initialization, testing, increment will do in one single step style. So every 1 second delayed 5 times the loop will get executed. See the value of c. Then 4 plus 1 5 less than 5 condition false, loop will terminate. Same logic for in for loop also, but we want to use this style of test operator. We'll use compound style. Recap, I'll open another subcell. Compound style. Recap our compound topic in arithmetic we discussed. Compound style. Compound style of arithmetic. Double open and double close. If you want to do any arithmetic operation, arithmetic 10 plus 20 like this, or if you initialize some value, if you want to perform increment operation n plus plus, then the value of n will become to be incremented, initialized then incremented. Okay, so these are the compound behavior. So in shell script for loop conditional we will write in compound style. Conditional style for loop in conditional style we are following with compound style loop. Compound style. So the syntax of compound style same like C programming style. For initialization, double open initialized, initialization condition, then based on the condition increment or decrement, because compound it support with incrementing decrement style operator. Compound will support with all, even for test operator also, less than symbol and all. So do and followed by operation. There is no difference between while and here for logic wise, only the syntax is different. Same what we written here, the same initialization, only the difference is initialized in the outside the loop, testing, and incremented inside the loop. Increment operation is inside the loop. This all we can write in one line in one single step. This is compound structure. So you can follow any one style, while loop style or for loop style. Logic is similar, only syntax is different. So for example, for the same initialization condition using less than symbol, not minus LT. Compound will support with same C style programming. Then incremented plus plus. So plus plus already we used it, incremented plus 1. Then followed by we can print uptime command for every 1 second delayed. No need to use increment inside and all. So it will execute load balance. So every 1 second once 5 times. After 5 times loop will get. So this is not, it's not like until. Until test condition true means exit. Condition false means will allowed inside. This is opposite of until. It's similar to while loop styles syntax rule. Test the condition. Condition true, then will allowed inside. Condition false, then will not allowed inside. It will get exit. Okay. So if you want to make any infinite, then like this. Like this. There is no, it's a always running statement. I'll be keep on running. I'll put sleep for 1 second delayed. Every 1 second delay will be keep on running. There is no limit to terminate. So will be keep on running. I press Ctrl C. If you want to exit from this kind of infinite, like unconditional, we can use same. What is the statement? Break statement. Exit from loop. Then done. Break we can place it all the looping statement. Break behavior is exit from the loop. Same C style of programming syntax we can follow here. You can initialize the data outside, so you can put initialization empty and test the condition, then increment the value only. See this initialization outside, now it will work, then it will execute that load balance for 5 times. Or initialization outside and we can put only condition and we can ignore that increment. We can do increment inside also. How to increment inside, we can use proper expr style or else compound style also we can use, +1 incremented style operations. All the C style, if you remove this condition then it will become to be infinite like the previous style. So this is similar to C style of programming syntax, C programming style of syntax. Only the difference, in C we use single open and close bracket, here we'll use two open and close. This is compound structure in cell. It's simple syntax compared with the test operations that we should write proper space and all, but here no need to give any space and all. So this is conditional based loop. It depends on that return type, that is test return type, the block will execute. Okay. So in cell scripting conditional based, we can write this 3 looping statement. All the looping statement starts with the do keyword, end with the done. The difference between while and until, while opposite is until 1. While will test the condition, condition true will allowed inside. Then repeated. Once condition false, loop will terminate. Until opposite of while, if condition will test the condition, condition false mean then allowed inside. Condition true, then will exit from the loop. For loop, it completely different syntax, but logic is same as while loop style of code. So if you want to test it any repetition based on the condition, you can follow while or you can use for anyone. Okay. So next class we'll discuss about list based looping. So this is collection of data. So we'll discuss about this two looping. Again the same for but different syntax. This syntax different and this syntax different. In cell scripting, this two looping it's enough. While loop, conditional and for loop, list. These are just a learning purpose. But this using this two loop we can fulfill this. We can get until behavior. We can do select behavior. We can do for loop behavior. Okay. So once again consider while with the test operator style more. Okay. So next class we'll discuss about collections. Okay. Thank you.